Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start my presentation, I will ask a simple question. Have you ever laughed at memes even though the words were actually rude? If yes, then you already know what this research is about. Okay, research background. As far as we know, memes are widely used by Indonesian teenagers. Insult, teasing, and sarcasm are very common thing in Indonesian meme. And previous research just discussed impoliteness and online conflict, but put a little attention to insult humor in memes. And this research is to share experience, help people understand rude jokes. Okay, there are two research problems in my research. First problem is many studies just focus on hate speech or online aggression, and no study explain how rude language become humor. Problem 2, insult in memes can function as differently depends from the conflict, and lack of research on pragmatic meaning of insult humor. Okay, there are three research objectives. First objective is to identify types of impoliteness in Indonesian memes. Objective number two is to explain how impolite expression create humor. And the third objective is to analyze how common ground to support the humor. Okay, there are two references that I use in my research. First is Subianto and Aprianto 2020 said that impoliteness means rude or insulting expression. And there are three types of impoliteness. First is positive impoliteness, which always contain attacking traits. Negative impoliteness always contain threats or warning. And the sarcasm is contain irony and teasing. Okay, the next references is Valad 2020. Okay. He said that humor works through common ground and shared culture means shared understanding. So if we have the same culture, we can understand each other more easy way, and there will be no problem in understanding the message or what people try to say in online communication. Okay, here are the research method. The method use qualitative descriptive. The theory use impoliteness theory by Subianto and Aprianto 2020. The data is from 5 Indonesian memes, just text only. And the platform that I use as a place to collect my data is WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter. And the criteria of this research is contain root expression, use Indonesian language, and relate to youth daily life. And the analysis is categorization plus common ground interpretation. Okay, sample data. Here are three sample data that I use as an example. First example is positive impoliteness. In Indonesia, said that mukamu mande banget means lemes, kusut, butuh libur, or lazy, need holiday, just like that. But it's still positive impoliteness because it takes appearance. Face, mukamu here is the reason why this called positive impoliteness. The next is still positive impoliteness. Minjem duit cepat, balikin malah hilang dari peradaban. That's also positive impoliteness. And the last is sarcasm. Belajar sih belajar, tapi jangan lupa istirahat dari belajar. Belajar here is a sarcasm. Why? Because belajar in Indonesia it act as a sarcasm thing that people try to say when they are lazy or maybe they don't want to do their homework. Yeah, just like that. So belajar here is a word that represents sarcasm. Okay, there are three findings that I found. First is positive impoliteness, most dominant, and positive impoliteness is attack laziness, appearance, and messy habits. And the negative impoliteness is different. He attacks like threats or warnings in a humorous way, in the context humorous way. Okay, and the sarcasm is a very relatable and use irony about campus life and stress. So because it's very relatable, people can be easy to understand. Okay, the discussion. First, insult humor works because audience share experience. So if we have the same experience, we can understand the humor easier. And the common ground makes rude jokes feel harmless. The next is memes express frustration. Memes is emotional release, so is as a form of emotional release. Yeah, and impoliteness in memes doesn't same. I mean, not same as impoliteness in conflict. It's different, and it function as entertainment and social branding. Oh, I'm sorry, social bonding can make the connection between people um, in a good ways. Yeah, bonding in other people, but is in the positive way. Okay, conclusion. This study shows that Indonesian memes use a rude or impolite language is to make people laugh. Okay, the memes mostly use three types of impoliteness. Just like I said before, positive impoliteness, negative impoliteness, and sarcasm. These expressions becomes funny because people share same experience and understand the context. This part make the humor acceptable for people, even though it has a rude words or sarcasm. Okay, insult humor has become a normal part of Indonesian youth culture online. Why? Because where rude words are used in a playful way, it means not to hurt others. Okay, so that's the conclusion of my research. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.